guys. A lot of you seen those videos when somebody packing Etsy orders, so I decided to make one of mine. In this video I want to show you what it's like when you're very busy during the holiday season. For example, this was before Christmas, especially the time when everybody is having fun, having Christmas mood, buying a Christmas tree and looking for gifts. I'm packing those gifts, so I have started to prepare gifts in mid of November, and since then I didn't have a single day off, and I work from 16 to 18 hours per day. So coffee and energetic drinks were my salvation. Please remember this nice and clean table, because when it's coming to the boxes, it's becoming a mess. You'll see in some time what I'm talking about. packing your orders, my cat's enjoying empty boxes from envelopes or other things that I was ordering. And also, it was my first time watching Rick and Morty, and I really enjoyed it. And please don't mind this mess. It always happens when I'm getting really busy. So these boxes are ready to be packed by my husband and sent to the post office also by him. This time I decided to go with him because I haven't been outside for about 2 weeks. You see those garbage bags? That's the packages. It's not garbage. And our Christmas tree. I did get a real Christmas tree, but it was just for a new year, not for Christmas. I wasn't able to get it for Christmas.